And here is a follow-up here on this really nice high wheel Troy Bilt that I got. Troy Bilt push mower. It's got the 6.75 horsepower Z-Start, 30% easier to start engine on it. Ready start. I don't think this bag had ever been used on here. And it cleaned up very nice. Put a new air filter in here that was really greasy. And I'm going to put a new air filter in this Troy Bilt. The one in there was very greasy, so let's put a new one in there. It's probably the original one. And this is the one that was in it. It's just very greasy. I think they've overfilled this mower with oil. It's kind of backed up into the carburetor at one point in time. So we've corrected that problem, and now we'll put in a new fresh air filter. Should make it run much better. This rope was never put in the rope hook. We put that in place. I don't think this bag had ever been used on here. This engine was just kind of greasy. They had overfilled it with oil. And while I was sharpening the blade, I drained some of this out. And this engine was just way overfilled with oil. You can see how greasy that carburetor air filter was and the carburetor housing. And we're just slowly pulling this dipstick out and draining a little bit at a time here and checking it while I'm sharpening the blade. And once I get this really heated up, we're going to change the oil in this Troy Bilt. It's still a little bit too full. If that comes out, I'm in the sunshine here, but we're going to let this run and change the oil in this anyway. These height adjustments in the front were totally frozen. Got some penetrating oil on that. And we'll soak each one of these height adjustments on each individual wheel. Put a rag under here. A little penetrating oil. See if that'll free that up. Go around each wheel. And then maybe you have to put the rubber hammer on here. Now freed the height adjustments up on both of these front wheels. Just a little penetrating oil. And didn't have to use the rubber hammer on there. Got those loose, and the ones in the back were already freed up. All those anyway. And I sharpened this blade. Don't think this blade had ever been off before, and it was out of balance. We'll sharpen the blade on this Troy Bilt. Got it cleaned up. Got the height adjustments freed up on it. And first we're going to start with safety here. We're going to pull the spark plug boot off. Take this grass catcher off. And we're going to turn it up on its side, carburetor side up. And now we'll turn this up, carburetor side up. Get this blade tool on here. Cleaned out some underneath. This blade has probably never been off or sharpened. And here's a blade tool. Let's get this tightened down and get this bolt out of here. And this is a 5/8 inch socket and bolt here. I bet this is going to be a booger to get off. Not too bad, one-handed. Okay, let's get this blade off here and check it out. Star pattern blade, everything looks good here with the blade adapter. Broken. And I bet this blade has never been off or sharpened before the way it looks. See if we can put an edge on this and check the balance. And see if we can clean some more of this debris out from under this lawnmower here. And so this blade is a little bit out of balance. It's a little heavy on this side. We'll take a little bit of metal off the back here. The lawnmower had a little bit of a shake to it, so that's the reason why. And now it's in balance. It doesn't take much. Just a little bit of material off the back of this blade here, and now it's in balance. We're ready to put this back on the Troy Bilt. Let's clean some of this debris out from underneath this Troy Bilt. Some of the paint is starting to peel Being a 10-year-old mower, it's not too bad. And this blade was in really good shape. I don't think it's ever been off or sharpened before. Put a slight edge on here. It was a little bit out of balance, so I took some material off the back, got it back in balance, so maybe that'll help with a little bit of a shimmy that I feel when this is running. Let's put the blade back on. And this blade is back on. This Troy Bilt is ready to go. Cleaned out from underneath. Some of the paint's coming off, but no real major rust condition here. Ready to start engine. And cleaned it up here as well, the side chute area. Some paint peeling off, but no major rust back here. Let me show you the bag area and then we'll give this a start. And this is how it cleaned up in the back. No major rust, but some of the paint is coming off. And most of this was just grass stains from years of use. So let's give this really nice Troy Bilt a start here. It may smoke a little bit because I did drip some oil on that muffler when I was draining some of the overfilled oil out of it. Auto choke engine. And it's got a new air filter in there. Here we go. Sharp blade on here now. That's very nice. Gonna let this run and change the oil in it. Troy Bilt. Smoking a little bit from that drip. That will stop. Like these high wheel Troy Bilts, very nice.